sitting while we wash our coat. A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3.